Now, getting the news that after the landmark Supreme Court verdict on 2nd January, in which the Apex Court axed BCCI President Anurag Thakur and Secretary Ajay Shirke, now Lodha panel sources have confirmed that most of the state associations have fallen in line. Sources close to Lodha panel said that 21 state associations out of BCCI's 25 members have written to the Lodha panel accepting and implementing the recommendations and have sought a few clarifications as well. This after 24 ousted or disqualified members of the cricket body held a private meeting in Bengaluru. The meet is said to have been attended by former Zaz N. Srinivasan and Anurag Thakur in what was supposed to be a show of strength, but state units already accepting the reforms that attempt that the old guard resistance has fallen flat. My colleague Rahul will be joining us to give us more details on this story. But as more and more state units fall in line accepting the Lodha reforms, it means that's an end game for already ousted Anurag Thakur. Although there was an attempt with a secret meeting, is what we're given to understand, to ensure that the old guard could wield some muscle. But now 21 state associations out of 25 member BCCI have written to Lodha panel accepting the recommendations that have been given, including one state, one vote, including cap on tenure as well of the office bearers tenure and the age cap. My colleague Rahul is with us now. Rahul, so which are the associations that have still refrained from accepting the Lodha panel reform?
Well, there are some of the associations who have still not given in writing that they will adhere to the Supreme Court verdict that they have to implement the Lodha reforms, but no less than 21 associations have written to the Lodha committee that they are willing to come on board, which of course they are forced to after the Supreme Court verdict. And the next step, of course, is the implementation of all these amendments in their constitution.
All right, Rahul, thanks for joining us. And also it means that Anurag Thakur and N. Srinivasan's attempt to wield muscle still around the board has fallen flat. Thanks for joining us for the moment.